Thanks for logging on to the MathCast for the week of September 3rd through September 6th. I'm Mrs. Williams, your math teacher. I hope everyone's had a great weekend. I'm so glad that it's not over yet. We do not have school tomorrow. This week in math, we're going to be looking at lots of things with area. So we're still in the area unit, talking about area of rectangles, parallelograms, and hopefully we'll get to triangles. So we'll be talking about all those things. We've been learning this week that area is not length times width. So ask your student to tell you some buzzwords about area. There were 3 kind of words / phrases that we look for in terms of area and what area is. In cores 1 and 4, we kind of got behind this week. We're not as caught up where I'd like for us to be, but that's okay. We're going to keep rolling, hoping that we can kind of make up time as we go. But I hope to be through lesson 12. I'm going to be optimistic, and we're going to get there, and it's going to be great. In course 2 and 3, we're going to start with lesson 4 on Tuesday and hopefully end with lesson 7 by Friday. Your child will have a homework each night. It's called a skills check. So just either be on the lookout for that. You're welcome to check it over. I have no problem with you looking it over and asking them questions about it. They should show their work for everything. Whether it's showing their work could look like things added up to decide, things being worked out, or maybe even words as to why they decided to go with that answer. And now for the bonus question. So each week I'm going to ask a bonus question. Parents, I told you that this video is for you to watch. I don't mind if a student watches it though, because they can learn about what we're talking about next week. So that's all great if they watch it. But the last question I would like for them to answer, so then I know that they watched it with you, or you at least watched it. So this week's bonus question is, over this weekend, what kinds of things did you do? What kind of activities did you do? Maybe you just rested. Maybe you did some math, which would make my heart happy. Maybe you hung out with friends and family. I did tell you to take a break, so hopefully you took a break at some point. Each week, your student will put their answer on a separate sheet of paper. So it can be on a notepad from home, it can be on a scratch paper, it can be on anything. It doesn't matter as long as it has their answer, their name, and your signature. So they need those 3 pieces: their answer, their name, and your signature. That way I know you watched the MathCast and then they answered the question. Most of the times the questions are either get to know you kinds of questions or math questions. This week, I just want to get to know you. So just make sure your student writes down the answer on a separate sheet of paper. You sign it, make sure their name's on it. I have a box in my room, and I'll show this to them on Tuesday. It's covered in circles. There's circles all over it. And they're going to put their answer in that box. And then on Friday, I'm going to go through those answers. I'm going to see them, the answers, and they're going to get a piece of candy, like a Jolly Rancher or a Dum Dum or something like that. Easy, quick, and super yummy. So that's the bonus question. I hope you have a great last part of your weekend for Labor Day. I hope you're doing something fun. If not, I hope at least you're getting some rest, because to me, that's a lot of fun too. And I will see you Tuesday.